Shreya Attriwal and I am in grade 6. And I would like to thank my team TinkerCoders and my mentor Jayesh sir. And I have made this app with the help of my mentor Jayesh sir. I am showing the app. Then I will, and the name of my app is COVID-19 contribution. When I will click on introduction about COVID-19, it will go on the COVID-19 introduction. And when I will click on back, it will move to screen 1. Then when I will click it again, when I will click it and when I will click on forward, it will go to the another screen. Like this. Then again when I will click back, it will go to screen number 1. In summary, when I will click back, it will go to the screen 1 and it is not written forward because the screens are ended. And I have written my name made by Shreya Attriwal. That's it.